Hi, friends. Let us look at the basics of linear seating arrangement by working out this question. So if you are comfortable with linear arrangement, then I suggest that you pause the video, work out the question, and then join me for the discussion. So we have 6 people here and very conveniently named Aditya, Balu, Charan. So which means that we can call them A, B, C, D, E, and F, and wearing t-shirts of 6 different colors. Nothing is mentioned about the direction in which they're facing. So it indicates that all of them are facing the same direction. So we have 6 people seated in a line. So we'll seat them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we will name the seats like that just for our convenience and discussion. Okay. And then if you look at linear seating, if you look at the basics, then use your natural left and right hand seating position, right? So as you're seated facing the screen, and this is your left hand side, okay? So this is your left, and this is your right. Okay. That's the way we are going to look at the seating positions also here. Now, if you look at the clues, the first clue does not give us any indication because we don't know how Dilip and the person with the violet shirt are seated. But if you look at the second clue, we have some inference from that. And the person in the orange t-shirt is seated 3 places to the right of Aditya. So looking at that, what can you tell me about Aditya, the seating position of Aditya? Can he be in seat number 4, for example? So no, because if Aditya is in 4, then the person in the orange shirt is 3 places to the right. So 1 place to the right, 2 places, 3 places to the right, and you don't have a seat there, right? So that's not possible. Can you put Aditya here? Not possible. Again, same reason, right? Because orange t-shirt wala is to the right, 3 places, so no. Okay. And the same, you cannot put Aditya in 6 also. So Aditya cannot be in 4, 5, and 6. So I definitely know that Aditya has to be somewhere here. I don't know exactly where. So I'll just put Aditya as indication here. He can be in seat numbers 1, 2, or 3. And if you look at seats 4, 5, and 6. So if Aditya is in, suppose if Aditya is in 1, then the orange guy will be in 4. If Aditya is in 2, then the orange guy would be in 5. And if Aditya is in 3, then orange guy would be in 6. So then the orange t-shirt person is in seat numbers 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to write the name, the person, okay, in one row, and the t-shirt color in the row below. And I'm writing this down so that we perfectly communicate with each other on how the working is. Okay. Now, clue number 3, Charan's t-shirt is not green. No idea where Charan is. Edwin is 3 places away from Felix. Away from Felix. 1, I don't know where Felix is. Second, whether Edwin is 3 places to the right or 3 places to the left of Felix. So we'll come back to this later. Next one, clue number 5. Felix is 3 places to the left of the person wearing the indigo t-shirt. Okay, somewhat similar to the second clue, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this. Felix is 3 places to the left of the person wearing the indigo t-shirt. Left of the person wearing indigo t-shirt. So can the indigo t-shirt person be here? I'm putting I as indigo. Okay, so where is Felix? Then 3 places to the left, 1 place to the left, right? 2, 3, no, you don't have a place for Felix. Same way, the indigo person cannot be here also, right? In 2, because same thing, okay? Then Felix would be to his left, you will not be able to place him. The indigo person cannot be in 1 also, same thing, because Felix then would not find a seat. So indigo person cannot be in 1, 2, and 3. So the indigo person can be in 4, 5, or 6. Why do I say that? Because if the indigo person is here, then Felix would be 3 places to the left, 1, 2, 3, Felix can be here. If the indigo person is in 5, Felix can be here. And similarly, if the indigo person is in 6, Felix can be in 3. So the indigo t-shirt person is in 4, 5, or 6. So I would put this as orange/indigo because I don't know. I mean, He can be anywhere in 4, 5, and 6. Felix can be somewhere in 1, 2, and 1, 2, or 3. I don't know where. Okay. Then Balu's t-shirt is not orange, but I don't know where Balu is. So we'll come back to that later. And then clue number 7 is similar to clue number 2. That will help definitely because the person in the red t-shirt is 3 places to the right of Charan, similar to clue number 2. So same logic. Okay. Person in the red t-shirt is 3 places to the right of Charan. So Charan cannot be in 4, 5, or 6. If Charan is in 4, then the person in the red t-shirt will go out of the equation. Okay. And you cannot find a seat for him. Similarly, Charan cannot be in 5, Charan cannot be in 6. So Charan is definitely in 1, 2, or 3. For example, if Charan is in 3, then the red t-shirted person has to be in 6. If Charan is in 2, the red person has to be here. And if Charan is in 1, the red person has to be in 4. So I know that Charan would be in one of the seats 1, 2, and 3, and the red t-shirt person has to be somewhere in 4, 5, and 6. Now we know that out of the 6 people, 3 people are here. So where are the other 3? The other 3 people are here, right? So remember, we have written the people on the first row, okay? So A, F, and C are definitely here because then it indicates that the other 3, B, D, and E are in seat numbers 4, 5, and 6 in any order. Remember, I don't know the order yet. I just know that one of the 3 is B, one of the 3 is D, one of the 3 is E in 4, 5, and 6. Now, we got 6 colors, out of which O, I, and R, okay, and are here, which means that the other 3 colors would be in the first 3 seats. So that will be V, G, and yellow, okay, violet, green, and yellow. So that's something which we know so far with the 3 clues that we have picked up. So now, which clue would help us to move forward? The first one. Why do I say the first one? The person in the violet t-shirt person is somewhere here, violet t-shirt, and Dilip, where is Dilip? Dilip is here, and they're adjacent to each other. So a person who is here is adjacent to the person who is in 4, 5, and 6. So the person who is in 1, 2, and 3 wearing the violet t-shirt is adjacent to the person in 4, 5, and 6 who is Dilip. So violet and Dilip are adjacent means this has to be the violet t-shirt and this has to be Dilip. Again, I am writing the person in the first line and the colors in the second line. Okay, the person in the first line and the colors in the second line. Okay. Then Charan's t-shirt is not green. So we already know about violet. Okay, and Charan is not green. Okay, but we'll come back to that later. Then look at this. Edwin is 3 places away from Felix and is not adjacent to Dilip. So this is going to help us. Okay, so we have taken this clue and now this clue will help us. Clue number 4. Edwin is 3 places away from Felix, and Edwin, where is Edwin? Edwin is somewhere here in 4, 5, and 6. Edwin is not adjacent to Dilip. So Edwin cannot come in 5. Dilip is in 4. Edwin cannot come in 5. So Edwin is here. Okay, which means that the third person, okay, that is B would come here. Okay, B would come here. Okay, to repeat, it says that Edwin is not adjacent to Dilip, and Edwin is amongst 4, 5, and 6. So Edwin is not adjacent to Dilip, so Edwin is here. Okay, so which means that by default, this has to be B. And Edwin is 3 places away from Felix, So which means that 1, 2, 3, right? 3 places away from Felix. Look at this, 1 place away, 2 places away, 3 places away. So this is Felix. Having placed Felix, let us go back to clue number 5, okay? Let's go back to clue number 5 and say Felix is 3 places to the left of the person wearing the indigo t-shirts. Felix is 3 places to the left of the person wearing the indigo t-shirt. Look at this. This is the indigo t-shirt. Okay. 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. 3 places to the left. Okay. Balu's t-shirt is not orange. Look at this. The 2 t-shirts left are orange and red. Balu is not orange, which means that Balu has to have the red t-shirt and Dilip has to have the orange t-shirt. Okay. And then if you look at the second clue here, go back to the second one. which says that the person in the orange t-shirt is seated 3 places to the right of Aditya. So we know the orange t-shirt, right? We know the orange t-shirt, 3 places to the right of Aditya. So where would Aditya come? Aditya would come here, okay? 1 place to the right, 2 places, 3 places to the right of Aditya is the person in the orange t-shirt. And then the only person left, look at this, the only person left us to be C. Okay. Now, if I look at the last clue that we need to pick up, this one, yeah? Charan's t-shirt is not green, so which means that Felix is already having the violet t-shirt. Charan is not green, so who will have the green t-shirt? Green t-shirt will go to Aditya, okay? And then the other t-shirt left, as we can see from here, is yellow, which goes to Charan, and that completes the arrangement here. So this is just the basics in linear seating. And in class, we would be covering higher end questions on this, where we would have, let us say, cars or people, cars parked in 2 rows facing each other, or people facing each other. There could be people sitting in a 3x3, 4x4 grid. Okay, so 4x4 formation, or there could be people seated in a row like this. Some of them are facing on towards one direction, somebody else is facing the other direction. Okay, so all these kind of questions, higher end questions, we would be taking up in class. Thank you.